When it comes to tea and caffeine content, there's still a lot of confusion out there.
Hey tea aficionados, I live in China and I'm going to tell you how to control the caffeine content of your tea. First, there is no hard and fast rule about caffeine content in specific types of tea.
And I like caffeine just as much as the next guy.
The caffeine in tea is delivered with amino acid L-theanine as well as theobromine and theophylline, so it hits different. Tea tends to have less caffeine than coffee, but it can vary wildly based on the terroir, cultivar, picking method, processing method, and especially the brewing method. This is good news because it means that you have great control over how much caffeine is in your tea. How much leaf you use, the water temperature, and the brewing time all impact caffeine levels, with more leaf, hotter water, and longer brewing time increasing the caffeine extraction. In addition, with traditional Chinese brewing, there are multiple rapid infusions. Generally, the first 2 or 3 infusions will have the most caffeine. If there is one general rule about caffeine in tea, it might be that smaller, younger leaves and buds contain more caffeine than larger, older leaves. Do you ever consume tea as a pre-workout drink before you exercise?